Hi friends, in this video let us do the unboxing and have a closer look into Asus Vivobook Ultra K413. The price of this laptop starts at 39,990 for the base variant. This is the Core i5 variant and it is priced at 57,990. Let us open the box. We have the laptop. We also get these nice looking stickers in the box. Then we have this compact power adapter and the main power cable. Now let us have a closer look into the laptop. The laptop comes in three different colors. The one we have here is hearty gold color variant. It is a beautifully looking laptop. I like this hearty gold color variant. It is compact and lightweight. The build quality of Vivobook Ultra K413 feels premium in hand. The top is made up of aluminum alloy. Coming to connectivity ports, on the left hand side we get DC in port, HDMI, USB 3.0 Gen 1 port, USB Type-C port and a 3.5 audio jack. On the right side, it has power and battery charging LED lights, micro SD card reader and two USB 2.0 ports. This is how the bottom part looks like. We have these rubber foot pads on all the corners. These are the speaker grills. This Vivobook features Harman Kardon certified down-firing speakers. You can upgrade the storage by removing this back panel. It has an additional SSD slot which accepts up to 1 TB of SSD. However, RAM is not upgradable. Now let me open the laptop. Let me unlock it with the fingerprint. It comes with 14-inch Full HD IPS grade nano edge display. The bezels around the screen are minimal. This gives around 84% screen to body ratio. On top, it has a webcam and microphone. Now let us look into lower half of the laptop. It has a full-size chiclet keyboard with backlit LED lighting. The key has 1.4 mm key travel and 19 mm wide pitch. The keyboard is also spill resistant. The brightness of this white backlight can be adjusted. Coming to the trackpad, it has a glass covered trackpad. The surface feels smooth and supports gestures. It easily recognizes my inputs. Now let us look into display quality. As I already mentioned, it has 14-inch 1080p Full HD IPS grade display panel. For the price, it is a good display panel. The screen looks sharp, bright and colors are also nice. The contrast levels also decent. It is not the best display when it comes to color accuracy. However, for the price range, it is one of the best display. Coming to audio quality, Vivobook Ultra K413 has down-firing stereo speakers certified by Harman Kardon. Here is the sample audio. Coming to performance, Vivobook Ultra K413 comes in two variants, one with Core i3 and the other one is Core i5. The one we have here is Core i5 variant. It has 8 GB of onboard DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of SSD. I have run some benchmark on Geekbench and I got these scores. Also, here is the Crystal Disk Mark score. This laptop is ideal for daily office work, taking online classes, watching movies, etc. That's it for this video on Asus Vivobook Ultra K413. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Please hit the like button if you find this video useful.